Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Data Vidhyalaya. So, in the last video, we have seen about the dictionaries, okay, and in the last few videos, we have seen about the built-in data structures and which are there in Python, like sets, tuple, uh, list, and as well as the dictionaries. Okay, so in this video, we will be majorly focusing on comparison between these four built-in types. Why? Because there will be a confusion to understand what is the which one is mutable, which one is unordered, which one is unchangeable, and all. So in order to have the comparison, no, I have drafted a simple table, okay, to check and understand between these four data types. Okay, when and also like I have taken one of the thing is that use cases of that. So which one will support the which one, which scenario you need to use the what type of the built-in data type. Okay, so we'll directly get into that instead of that. So before that, please subscribe the channel. Okay, so that's very important, and then click on the like button, and then comment if you have any queries or any suggestions and all, and share if you wanted to share it along with your friends and colleagues or whatever whoever is required. Okay, that's the one. Okay, let's get into that directly. Yeah, that this is the simple one I have drafted. Okay, so we wanted to compare between the list, sets, tuples, and dictionaries. Okay, in a ordered way. Okay, so first one is that mutability. Mutability is nothing but change. Whether we can change the values within that or change the based on the index and all, we can do that. Okay, so except a tuple, which is like immutable, no, as I said, no, in tuple we cannot change that. Okay, change the values or change the items, add or remove the items. But one thing we can do is that we can convert that into a list or set, update it, and then again we need to convert it into a tuple. So that's the other way we can it's a turnaround solution how we can change that. Okay, convert that into a mutable. Okay, whereas dictionary is also mutable, set is also mutable. Okay, so coming to the mutability, only tuple we cannot change. Immutable means like we cannot change or add or remove. Whereas three things we can list, set, and dictionaries we can mutable. Okay, where we can change that. So the turnaround solution also explained how we can do that by using the convert the tuple into a mutable object. Okay, that is one. So coming to the ordered, so only set is unordered. Okay, why? Because unordered in the sense like it doesn't follow set defined order. Okay, though set doesn't allow the duplicate values, it doesn't follow a defined order. Okay, so that's one thing we can do. So if you wanted to have an ordered structure, the turnaround solution is that you can convert it into a list or tuple or dictionaries. But list or tuple we can convert, but the problem here is that it allows the duplicate values, whereas set does not allow duplicate values. No, so that's the other thing you need to remember. Okay, so coming to the duplicates, no, so list allows the duplicate values, tuple also allows the duplicate values, whereas dictionary also allows the duplicate values, but it will not allow the duplicate keys. So in dictionary we have key values, no, so it doesn't allow the duplicate keys, whereas duplicate values it will allow. Whereas set, no, it will not allow the duplicate values. So that's clear. So mutability only tuple doesn't support that. Ordered and duplicates only set doesn't support that. And some part of the dictionary where the keys will not support the duplicates. Okay. And the representation and the syntax. This list is square brackets, set is flower brackets, tuple is curved brackets, dictionaries is flower brackets. Okay, whereas the set and dictionaries are the flower brackets, but key and value will be there only in dictionary, whereas in set we don't have the only the values will be there. Okay, accessing is that by using index we can access, tuple also by using index. This one dictionaries by using keys we can access the values. Okay, whereas set we cannot index. Why set cannot be indexed? Because it is unordered. Okay, if you have ordered only, then we can access the values. Okay, and where in which scenario we can use this built-in data type is that, so for example, list is nothing but if you want a collection of items or any sequences way of collecting the items. No, that scenarios we can use the list. Okay, we can change the values and we can do mutability everything and all. Okay, whereas set, no, if you set is simple, where if you wanted to store a unique values. Okay, so simple, just unique values, and if you want to operations on the sets and all, no, that you can use the set. Okay, and then tuple also it's whenever you wanted to define a constant values, though it has a duplicates in it, so you can use the tuple. Okay, and yeah, we cannot immute that, but with that we can use that by using distance set and then again convert into a tuple. Okay, so where if you wanted to use a storage set of items, okay, which has to be constant, then the tuple is the right scenario to pick up. Okay, and dictionaries. So dictionaries is something different with all this. Wherever you wanted to have a pair of values, like if you wanted to key value pair, like you wanted to map ID to ID to some person or ID to some object and all. And if you wanted to have a unique IDs and then you wanted to have a duplicate names, duplicate values and all. So that scenario, you can use the dictionaries. We majorly, if you understand the set JSON data, it will be like dictionaries only. So like that data, if you wanted to store, no, the dictionary is the perfect solution for that. Okay. So these are the use cases you can use depending on the requirement. Okay, so which type of data structure you wanted to touch, built-in data structures you wanted to touch now, whether which is list, set, tuple and dictionary. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of this. Okay, so that you will have an idea like how, or if you how we can differentiate between these objects. Okay, so that's the one. And I forgot this ordered dictionary. Ordered is as of Python 3.7 only it is ordered. Before that, I it is unordered. Okay, so that's the one. Okay, that's the one. And by getting this, anyways, you will be get a detailed understanding. So if you wanted to see the operations how it happened in detail, no, you can go through the videos. Okay, you can pause it and make sure you practice it parallelly by pausing the videos. That would help you understand it much better. Okay, so that's about the comparison of this. And yeah, if you have any queries, no, you can comment in the comment section. And please subscribe the channel. Okay, that's very important. And next we will start with the control flow statements. Okay, we will start with the conditional statements like if else, and then we'll go to the loop statements, and then do while. These three we will cover in the next three videos. Okay, so almost you once you complete this, no, then you will have like 60 70% of knowledge on that. Then you need to, so fundamental knowledge you will have an idea. Okay, so even though fundamental knowledge in sense like if you wanted to understand the set of Python code and all, no, at least you need to have this knowledge. Okay, so if not able to write the code, at least you need to understand, the logics, who has written, or who is there is any false code and all, no, you pseudo code and all. You need to understand that. So for that, it is very important to understand. Okay. So till then, keep learning. Okay. Thanks everyone. Bye.